Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the causes and effects of water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the pollution of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, seas, the oceans, as well as the groundwater. But how does water pollution occur? There are two main sources of water pollution: point sources and non point sources. Point sources are those sources which arise from a single source. Example: pipe or ditch. Non-point sources are those sources that arise from more than one source. For example, nutrient runoff from the agricultural land. Industrial waste. Many industries drain the waste from fresh water. Household waste are treated chemically and released into the sea. Used chemical fertilizers are used by farmers to protect crops from insects and bacteria. Mining activities emit large amount of metal waste from the rocks. Now, what will happen if this polluted water is present in our environment? Diseases caused by drinking polluted water: diarrhea, typhoid, diphtheria, kidney damage, skin lesions, etc. Destructions of ecosystem. It can cause an entire ecosystem to collapse if it's left unchecked. Did you know that it can cause death of aquatic animals due to depletion of oxygen? Chemical chemicals in water body encourage the growth of algae. It severely affects the aquatic life. Severe impact to ecosystem. Water pollution can also lead to red tide. Red tide is a common term for harmful algal blooms that can often poison or kill wildlife and humans who consume contaminated seafood. What is the solution for all of this? Prevent groundwater contamination, reduce non-point runoff, reuse treated wastewater for drinking and irrigation, find substitutes for toxic pollutants, treat sewage water. Now, last but not the least, we have to practice the 3 R's of resource use: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Before we end this topic, you can refer to these important keywords that have been introduced in the chapter. Wow, isn't this beautiful? So let's keep it clean. Thank you.